Hey guys, Aaron Vanderveen here with Sherwood Dodge, and today beside me I have a brand new 2020 Chrysler all-wheel drive launch edition Pacifica. Now this vehicle does come equipped with a lot of safety features. One major thing I'd like to point out is your forward front collision and your adaptive cruise control here, and you can tell by the front camera right here. Now if you're making your way to the side here, this vehicle does come equipped with your cameras here, so it does have a 360 view on the inside. Now it does come with your blind spot detection as well, along with your keyless entry in the doors here. Now, if you're looking at the nice fob here, you do have your automatic opening doors, along with your hatch opening and your remote start as well. Now, one thing I'd really like to point out is this vehicle comes with a 3.6 liter V6, and the reason being is because it does have the Class 5 hitch and 7 and 4 pin wiring underneath for towing. Now, if you guys want to follow me to the inside, I'd like to show you a couple features. Hey guys, now we're inside the Pacifica. Before we go to the front here, I want to show you the Stow and Go system that this van has in the back. Now it's a very simple and easy system. All you gotta do is raise this up, and there is a little white lever right here. So all you gotta do is pull this, push down, pull this up, and she's flat. Now let's head to the front so I can show you a couple features. Okay guys, now that we're inside the Pacifica, I'd like to mention one thing that's really important to a lot of people is I'm a 6-foot guy, 6'6" to be precise, and I have a lot of clearance between me and the roof here, and it makes for a very comfortable ride. Now, another feature I'd like to point out is these chairs do have armrests in the front, so it makes for a comfortable ride as well. Now, I'd like to point out a couple safety features. Starting at the steering wheel here, you do have your adaptive cruise control and your regular cruise control here. Now, moving to the center here, you do have your park assist, your park alarms, and your lane keep, along with your auto on-off. Now, looking at the 8.4-inch touchscreen, it does come equipped with your nav. And if we're going to here, it does come with your surrounding 360 camera as well on the left. Now on the right, it does show you the backup camera, and you also have a forward-facing camera as well. Now if you guys look down here, you do have tons of storage, including this drawer here, and underneath here and down here as well with little grip pads so nothing's rolling around. Now up here, it does come with your opening and closing of the doors, so you don't have to get out. You push these, and the doors in the rear open. Now, if you guys have any questions about this beautiful Pacifica, please give me a call at 780-729-5517. Thank you for your guys' time, and I hope to hear from you soon.